What does a flashing green light on my ADT doorbell camera indicate?
Hello, welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we will be discussing a common query among ADT doorbell camera users. What does a flashing green light on your ADT doorbell camera mean? We'll break down this information and make sure you understand your device better.
What does a flashing green light indicate?
The flashing green light on your ADT doorbell camera signifies that the device is booting up. When you first connect the device to power, it will display a flashing green light. This is part of the boot up process and is absolutely normal.
How long should the flashing green light last?
The flashing green light typically lasts for about 2 to 3 minutes after the camera is powered on. This is the usual time it takes for the camera to initialize and establish a connection with your home network.
What should I see after the flashing green light?
After the boot up process is complete, the flashing green light should stop. The ADT doorbell camera should then switch to a steady blue light, indicating that the device is functioning normally and is successfully connected to your network.
What if the green light keeps flashing?
If the green light continues to flash beyond the usual boot up time, it might mean there's an issue. It could be due to problems with the power supply or connectivity issues with your network. In this case, try rebooting the device and check your network connection. If the issue persists, it might be best to contact ADT customer support for further assistance. And that wraps up our discussion on the flashing green light on your ADT doorbell camera. We hope this video has helped you understand what this light indicates and how your camera works. Remember, it's a normal part of the boot up process, but if it continues for longer than usual, you may need to troubleshoot your device or reach out to ADT support. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.